A25, Samsung, the royal brand. It has three-pole camera system. The main camera is 50 megapixel and the front-facing camera is 13 megapixel. It has AMOLED dot display, FHD plus Super Amoled display, and 5000 mAh long-lasting battery with 25-watt super fast charging. Now I'll show you camera. Let me browse the camera here. This is camera and it's 50 megapixel main rear camera. Let me make zoom. See what a clean. The tiny letter is being visible with the help of powerful zoom. The sun disk, it's now visible. See, it was invisible. Okay, this is selfie camera. It's my selfie. See what a fantastic, fabulous selfie it is. So guys, if you want to have Samsung A25 with budget price, you can contact us. Thanks all for watching this video. Okay.